Hello, and thank you for joining us. Today, I'm pleased to be speaking with James Robinson, Sales Manager at Keith Manufacturing. Keith is a global leader in bulk material handling technology, renowned for engineering systems that make unloading safer, faster, and more efficient for industries worldwide. Today, we're focusing on Keith's latest breakthrough, RX technology, which sets a new benchmark in trailer unloading performance. We'll explore how RX Technology's advanced thermal protection, intuitive controls, and streamlined design deliver measurable benefits for fleet operators and end users. RX Technology represents the next step in the evolution of Keith's walking floor systems. To start us off, what are the most significant innovations or advancements that set RX apart from previous technologies and competitors in the market?
So RX technology, it does mark a significant step forward in the evolution of the walking floor systems, introducing some key innovations and advancements that distinguish it from previous technologies that we've had as well as our competitors. The system is specifically engineered to protect itself, and when maintenance is necessary, its design aims to minimize downtime as much as possible, and the system is standard with new intuitive push button control system.
Thank you. Reliability and ease of maintenance are critical for your customers. Can you discuss how RX's streamlined internal design and components contribute to system longevity, less downtime, and cost savings?
So this system is designed with decreased hydraulic restrictions, which enhances the overall efficiency, which in turn reduces heat, and that reduces maintenance time and maintenance needed. It's equipped with an inline check valve, so operators can't mess the system up by hooking it up incorrectly. Integrated pressure filter and filter status indicator that allows everybody to be proactive on the maintenance schedules with their equipment. It has a heat detection system also, so it doesn't allow the system to overheat itself and get hot. It protects itself from hot oil. The cartridge style valves specifically, those reduce maintenance time tremendously by simply being able to change a cartridge valve without having to take any of the other plumbing or anything apart to repair the system when it is needed. Automatic switching valve eliminates any need for any kind of adjustments in the future. Just works, it's completely automatic. And a standardized hydraulic plumbing and valve package mean it's easier and quicker to get parts. Also, all the longer tubes on the system are designed as two-piece tubes so they can easily be shipped via FedEx or UPS, which reduces cost and lead time to get parts.
Thank you, James, for joining us on today's vodcast to explore Keith's RX technology and the innovations that set this next-generation system apart in material handling. To learn more about RX technology and Keith Manufacturing, please visit www.keithwalkingfloor.com.